student, how are you? Fine. Okay, open your ESCW and workbook. Okay, now we are going to continue our chapter number 4. It is, sorry, it's my mistake. It is the 4th chapter. Okay, Chotu's house. Right? So we have to this one write in the CW. This both part we have to write in the CW and HW. And this one is the workbook part. Okay, students? Now, and circle the odd one out. Which one is the odd? We have to circle on it. Okay? So, sofa, center table. That is means the table. Right? In table sometimes it is, we have to put in the corner of the house. Right? So, it is the written here the central sofa, central table. That means that we have to put the table in the center of the room. Okay? And utensil. Which one is the odd one? Sofa we have to put in the room, and table also we have to put in the room, and utensil we have to keep in the kitchen only. Right? So, this one is the odd one. So, we have to do underline, circle on the utensils. Okay. Second number, gas, bed, fridge. Right, students? So this one is the gazette. This one also gazette, and this one is the rest thing. Okay. Rest करते हो ना, bed. Okay. This one is the odd one. Now third, bed, cupboard, and tub. So tub is the bathroom thing. So we have to put the circle on the tub. Okay. Now fourth number, gas, bucket, tub. So bucket and tub also it is the bathroom thing or the cleaning thing, but gas is the gazette. So we have to circle on the gas. Clear, students? Okay. Now look at here. This is the match. Which part of the house we have to use for it? ओके हमारे हाउस का कौन सा पार्ट है, किसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं. ओके. नाउ ड्राइंग रूम, डाइनिंग रूम, बेडरूम, बाथरूम, किचन, स्टोर रूम. नाउ लुक एट चिल्ड्रन, समटाइम्स स्टूडेंट्स हैव इन कंफ्यूजन कि यहाँ मैच आएगा कि यहाँ आएगा, कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. तो फर्स्टली व्हाट यू डू, फर्स्टली वॉट एवर यू हैव परफेक्टली नो, देन you should do the match first. Okay, suppose either kitchen, right? Kitchen, what you do in the kitchen? Eating means खाना खाते हो, meet our guest, guest को मिलते हो, cooking food, खाना बनाते हो. Yes, obviously kitchen is used for making the food, cooking food. So we have to do first the match with the cooking food. Okay, first tension is over. Now second one. Okay, now bedroom. Everyone know what is the use of the bedroom. Bedroom we are take the for the sleeping only, or we can do the rest in the bed. Okay, bed के अंदर हम rest करते हैं. तो here is the option is the store thing. No for rest. Yes, it is for the rest. So we have to match first the for the rest. Okay, 2-1 is the completed. Now bathroom. What is the use of the bathroom? Everyone knows. We can bath, है ना? So here is the written here taking bath. Yes, definitely. So we have to match with the taking bath. Okay, students. Now out of 6 we have to match the 3 correctly. Right? Rest 1 3 we have to sit there after. Okay, storeroom. Now what is the use of the storeroom? Store means we have to store something, extra things we have to store, right? So in storeroom में क्या करते हैं? We have to store the things. Things को store करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है, okay? यहाँ देखो store, store both word are the common. So we have to match store the thing to store thing. Storeroom is used for to store the things. Okay? Now remaining is the 2 left. Okay, then dining room. What we do in the dining room? Dining room में क्या करते हो? Dining hall is there, right? When you go for the some occasion and you take the meal, then which hall you have to use? Dining hall. So we have to take the dinner, eating purpose. We have to use the dining meal. So eating meals, right? Okay. Now drawing room. What we do in the drawing room? We are sitting and watching TV in the drawing room, right? And sometimes guest comes and also we have to sit in the drawing room. So we have to match here, meet our guest. Okay, students? Easily we have completed. Whenever in the exam also sometimes you have confused, then firstly do that method. Firstly whatever you have sure, then match that, and then after rest done, you think and then match. Okay? Now open the page number 35. Now exercise 3, take right or wrong of the workbook. Page number 35. Monu rented a house to stay in. मोनू जो है वो घर में रहने के लिए किराया देता था. नो, जस्ट ओनली बोथ आर द शेयरिंग द रूम. सो वी हैव टू क्रॉस द वर्ड. ओके, दिस सेंटेंस इज द रॉन्ग. सेकंड नंबर, a housefly comes and stay in our house uninvited. Yes, housefly, we have to invite the housefly in our house. हम मक्खी को बुलाते हैं घर में, इनवाइट करते हैं? नहीं, नहीं बुलाते तो अभी आ जाती है, राइट? सो दिस इज द राइट. ओके, नाउ वी क्लीन द सराउंडिंग एरिया ऑफ आवर हाउस एंड ऑन फेस्टिवल एंड ओकेजन. नो, only in the festival days and occasion just only we have to clean the surrounding area. No, every day we have to clean the surrounding area, right? हमको हर रोज एरिया को जो है वो क्लीन करना है. So this one is the not correct answer. Every day we have to do the clean the work. Okay. Now 4 number, a spider can fly. No, spider cannot fly, right? But spider has to take the support of the saliva, and that way they pull their legs, stick their leg and go up and down. Okay. Now 5 number, Udit celebrate Uttarayan with kites and sesame chikki. Yes, what do you eat in the Uttarayan? We have to fly kite and sesame means the til chikki, right? Okay. Now 6 number, Rehana decorates her house on Ramzan Eid. Yes, Rehana is the Muslim girl, because here Rehana is the name of the Muslim. So obviously Muslim people celebrate the Ramzan Eid festival, right? Okay. Now 7 number, ants make anthill and stay in our home too. Yes, in both ants live in the anthill also. वो anthill बनाती है, right? And हमारे घर में भी रहती है. Okay, this is the right one. Now 8 number, the open yard in front of the house is also a part of our house. No, it is not part of our house. It is the extra space in our house. Okay, the open yard in front of the house. हमारे घर के सामने अगर open yard है तो वो हमारे घर का part है? No, it is not our home part. Okay, so we are not consider this is the home part. So this is the wrong. Okay, students, have you understand? Now look at the match the following again. This one is for the CW and this one is for the workbook. Okay, now here Lata's house, Christmas, a red and the veranda. Okay, now here Christmas, everyone know Christmas is a festival, so we have to match with the festival, or otherwise you have to write here the option C, both. Okay, now a rat is a uninvited animal staying in our house. Uninvited, we cannot invite the rat, so here we have to match with the uninvited animal. Now veranda is a one kind of the open space out of the house. So a part of the house, yes, this is the obviously part of the house. We can sit in the veranda, right? Okay. Now Lata's house, it is the decorated beautifully. Yes, we can decorate the house beautifully, right? So here we have to match, and you have to write also option here. Veranda is the A, so we have to mention here A. Here is the D, so here we have that and only you have to mention in the paper. Okay students, have you understand? Now open the page number 39 and some drawing you have to do here. It is the activity. Draw or stick pictures of the creatures who live in your house in the box given below and write their names and under it. Right? So you have to draw, otherwise you can paste also. The students who is getting bored at home, then cut it out from the newspaper and also you have to stick the picture. But which picture? The creatures which live in our house, right? So I draw here rat, right? Then cat also sometime in our house. Okay? Otherwise you can draw the picture of the ant. Okay? Then cockroach also in our house and lizard also in our house. You can draw the picture of the spider also, right? So these are the creatures. Okay? Now I hope you have understand all the chapter and all the exercise. Okay students, have you any problem? Then see the video again and again. Okay? Bye bye.